May napapansin ka bang kakaiba sa kilos niya? Pero hindi mo masabi kung crush ka ba niya o magaling lang talaga siyang magpanggap? Kasi ganito, ang babae kahit gaano ka-guarded, laging may nahuhulog na senyales kapag may gusto siya. Hindi mo lang nakikita pero after this video, hindi mo na mamimiss kahit isa. In this video, malalaman mo ang pinaka-psychology-based, pinaka-hindi maitago, at pinakahalatang senyales na gusto ka ng babae kahit pa sobrang reserved, sobrang mysterious o sobrang pa-hard to get niya. At habang pinapanood mo to, may bigla kang may isip na isang tao, yung tipong, shit kaya pala ganun siya. Yung mga moment na dati hindi mo binibigyan ng pansin, pero ngayon magiging malinaw na parang high definition. This isn't a guessing game. Hindi ito based sa hula-hula. We'll break down each sign in a way that's emotional, logical, and brutally honest. And stay until the end. Kasi yung last sign is something no girl can hide, kahit gaano siya kagaling mag-poker face. Ito yung sign na lalabas kahit hindi niya gusto. Alam mo, karamihan ng lalaki nalilito kapag dating sa mga babae. Bakit? Kasi ang babae magaling magtago ng feelings verbally. Hindi nila sasabihin, hindi nila aaminin, hindi nila ipapakita sa chat. Pero yung katawan nila, yung tono nila, yung actions nila, dun sila nagkakamali. So let's break it down. Slowly, smoothly, clearly, sign by sign. Senyales numero 1. Nagiging inconsistent siyang weird, minsan super lambing, minsan biglang cold. Ito ang sign na hindi kayang itago ng kahit anong babae. Kapag gusto ka ng babae, nagkakaroon ng internal conflict sa loob niya. Hindi ito dramatic movie type ha, pero emotional chaos siya in a subtle, real-life way. Parang may dalawang boses sa utak niya. Gusto ko siya pero ayoko magmukhang obvious. Pero gusto ko siyang kausapin pero baka isipin niyang obvious. Ako. Kaya minsan, bigla siyang malambing sa'yo, super sweet, super invested sa conversation. Tapos kinabukasan, biglang dry, biglang one-word replies, biglang scene zone. And you're left thinking, huh? Ano nangyari? Pero ganito kasi. When a girl likes you, she overthinks everything. Baka masyado akong forward. Baka isipin niyang clingy ako. Baka isipin niya desperate ako, kaya she pulls back to protect herself. This inconsistency, hindi yan red flag, hindi yan confusion. That's fear. Fear of liking the wrong guy. Fear of getting rejected. Fear of being too obvious. Kaya sabi nga nila, ang babae kapag gusto ka, nagugulo sila. Kapag wala silang gusto sa'yo, sobrang chill nila. Real story example, imagine may girl sa school or work. Kachat mo kanina ang haba ng replies. Funny, sweet, invested. Tapos ngayon, one word. Pero pag nakita mo sa hallway, hindi ka matingnan ng diretso. Bakit? Because face-to-face, hindi niya makontain feelings niya. So nagiging awkward siya, at pag awkward siya, iniisip niya, shit obvious ba? Kaya the next day, cold siya. That's the glitch. Hindi siya masama. Hindi siya mind game. This is emotional nervousness disguised as inconsistency. Kapag mabait lang ang babae, steady, consistent, same tone. Pero kapag gusto ka, there will always be emotional glitches. That's how you know. Senyales numero 2. Lahat ng maliit mong bagay, natatandaan niya. Kung ang lalaki, mabilis makalimot, ang babae exact opposite pero hindi sa lahat. Only sa taong important sa kanila. Scientific explanation. Kapag may gusto ka sa isang tao, naglalabas ang brain ng dopamine plus norepinephrine. Meaning, mas sharp memory, mas nakatutok sa details. Mas nag-e-encode ng small information. Kaya kapag may sinabi kang favorite mong snack, favorite mong kulay, pets mo, ayaw mong pagkain, schedule mo mga bagay na natatakot ka, mga bagay na gusto mo sa isang araw siya, naaalala niya. Example, kung sinabi mo last week na gusto mo ng tahimik na lugar, next time na magyaya siya, bigla niyang sasabihin, gusto mo coffee shop na lang. Yung hindi maingay? Hindi yan coincidence, hindi rin yan pagiging mabait lang. That's interest. And here's the kicker. Kung minsan mas natatandaan, pa niya mga sinabi mo kaysa ikaw mismo. A girl in love notices everything. Minsan pati hindi mo sinasabi pero ginagawa mo. Kaya nila makita yung micro changes mo. Kung pagod ka, kung may iniisip ka, kung may bad day ka, kung may mali sa tone mo, kung nagbago oras mo ng uwian, kung nagdabog ka ng konti. And sometimes tatanungin ka niya ng biglaan. Okay ka lang? Kahit hindi mo sinabi. Women don't remember details about guys they don't care about. Pero ikaw, she noticed. Senyales numero 3. Nag-aayos siya kapag alam niyang makikita ka niya. Ito yung sign na halos 100% accurate. A woman doesn't get ready for everyone. She gets ready for someone. Kung usually simple lang siya sa school, sa work, or sa GC. Pero kapag ikaw ang kausap o kasama, biglang naka-lip tint, biglang nakaayos buhok, biglang naka-perfume, biglang mas maingat sa kilos, biglang mas neat yung outfit. Biglang mas girly tingnan, biglang may konting glow, she's trying. Hindi ito para i-please ka, not fully. But she wants you to notice. Gusto niyang maramdaman na presentable siya sa'yo. Realistic scene. Pansinin mo to, pag dumaan ka, bigla siyang nag-aayos ng buhok. Subconscious yan, pag lumapit ka, bigla siyang tumitingin sa phone pero obviously kinakabahan. Subconscious yan. Pag papasok ka, biglang nag-straighten ang posture, nag-cross ng legs, or inayos yung collar. Subconscious yan. Women fix themselves in front of the guy they like. Hindi nila namamalayan. At kung ako sa'yo, pag nakita mo yon, huwag mong i-overthink. Take it as a green light. Señales numero 4. She mirrors you. This one is psychological gold. Mirroring happens automatically. Hindi ito acting, hindi ito effort, hindi ito strategy. Kapag gusto ka ng babae, her subconscious mind aligns with your movements, gestures, and energy. Examples, kung tumawa ka, bigla siya tatawa kahit hindi super funny. Kung naging soft yung tone mo, nagiging soft din tone niya. Kung nag-cross ka ng arms, after ilang seconds gagayahin niya. Kung nag-lean forward ka, magli-lean din siya. Kung mahilig ka sa sarcastic jokes, bigla rin siyang nagjo-joke ng sarcastic ways. Kung nagbago hairstyle mo, mapapansin mo bigla rin siyang nag-change style. This is unconscious synchronization. Sa psychology ang tawag dito, rapport plus emotional attunement. Meaning, your energies are matching, your rhythms are connected. Your presence affects her body language. And here's the twist. A girl who doesn't like you will not mirror you. She will create distance. She will stay neutral. She will not match your vibe. But the girl who likes you, her body betrays her. Her subconscious exposes her. Señales numero 5. Nagiging curious siya sa personal life mo. Hindi ito yung casual, kumusta? Hindi rin yung generic, anong ginagawa mo? Pero yung mga tanong na mas malalim kaysa dapat. Sino mga friends mo? May iba ka bang ka-chat? May nilalike ka ba ngayon? Sino kasama mo kahapon? Saan mo gustong pumunta usually? Anong type mo sa girl? Anong weakness mo? Anong bagay na nakapagpapasaya sa'yo? A woman only asks deep questions to someone she sees as a potential partner. She is scanning you, your mindset, your habits, your environment, your compatibility. Important. If she asks about other girls in your life, that's interest plus jealousy in disguise. Halimbawa, nag-chat ba si ano sa'yo? Close ba kayo ni Tarsil? Ay wow, may kausap ka yata ah. These are not random questions. These are emotional scans. She wants to know if she has a chance. She wants to know the competition. She wants to know where she stands. Girls don't waste emotional energy on guys they don't like. Pero sa'yo, she notices everything. Señales numero 6. She gets jealous subtly. Hindi ito dramatic jealousy ha. Walang sigawan, walang away, walang confrontation. But you will notice. Biglang tumahimik, biglang nagbago mood niya, biglang parang may distansya. Biglang hindi na siya energetic, biglang short replies, biglang, okay. Biglang cold tone kapag may nabanggit kang ibang babae. Kahit normal conversation lang, you'll see a shift. Not huge, just small enough to notice. And big enough to mean something. Example, ikaw. May tinulungan ako kanina sa group project, babae yon. Siya, siya, pero iba tono. Biglang flat, yan yung subtle jealousy. A girl who doesn't care won't react. Pero yung may gusto sa'yo, lumalabas yung small crack sa armor niya. Another scenario. Pag may nag-comment sa post mo, mapapansin mo bigla siyang active sa GC. Biglang nagpaparamdam. Biglang nagsisend ng meme. Biglang nagsasabi ng, andito lang ako ha. Why? She feels threatened. Pero hindi niya pwedeng aminin. So ilalabas niya through mood, tone, and energy. Subtle jealousy is one of the clearest signs of hidden feelings. Señales numero 7. She initiates small things. Hindi man siya yung direct type na magtatapat sa'yo. Hindi siya yung I like you type. Hindi siya yung unang magsasabing gusto kita. Pero she will show interest through small, low-key actions. Siya yung unang magsasend ng meme. Siya yung unang magtatanong ng random. Siya yung biglang magpo-post ng something na alam niyang ma-attract attention mo. Siya yung mag-e-extend ng conversation. Siya yung magpaparinig ng konti. Siya yung manunukso ng kaunting cute teasing. These small things, when done repeatedly, form a pattern. Girls don't initiate anything with guys they don't like. If she's investing even 5% more effort sa'yo kaysa ibang tao, that 5% is everything. Pero ito yung problema na madalas ikalito ng lalaki. Mabait lang ba siya? O may gusto siya? Kasi minsan friendly ang babae. Minsan caring sila by nature. Minsan considerate lang. At delikado yan. Kasi kapag mali interpretasyon mo, pwede kang mapahiya. Pwedeng masira connection. Pwede kang umasa ng hindi naman dapat. So the challenge is not, meron ba siyang sign? The challenge is, meron bang pattern? Kasi isang sign means nothing. Pero kapag multiple signs plus consistent pattern, then that's not friendliness. That's attraction. Para malaman kung gusto ka talaga ng babae, hanapin mo yung 3 main patterns. Kapag gusto ka ng babae, nagiging softer, sweeter, more cautious, more nervous, more awkward. More sensitive sa tone mo, kahit sa chat mararamdaman mo, kapag nagbago tone mo, bigla siyang magiging worried. Kapag parang busy ka, bigla siyang magpaparamdam. Kapag feeling niyang may iba kang kachat, biglang weird mood. A woman doesn't behave this way toward a guy she does not like. How she uses her time will expose everything. Girls don't find time for a guy they like. They make time. Meaning kahit pagod siya, magre-reply yan. Kahit busy siya, magpaparamdam yan. Kahit hindi niya ugali mag-chat, mag-i-initiate pa rin yan paminsan-minsan. That's not convenience. That's priority. Women have limited emotional attention. So if she keeps noticing you, your mood, your jokes, your changes, your silence, your new haircut, your absence, your presence, your smell, your tone, your interests, then you're more than just a friend. Her attention always goes where her feelings are. Pero eto talaga yung sign na walang babae ang kayang itago. Kapag takot na siyang mawala ka, hindi niya ito sasabihin directly. Hindi niya aaminin. Pero lalabas sa actions. Bigla siyang magiging extra sweet. Bigla siyang magpaparamdam kapag busy ka. Bigla kanyang kakausapin kapag feeling niyang lumalayo ka. Bigla siyang magiging sensitive kapag hindi ka responsive. Bigla siyang mag-aalala kapag hindi ka nag-update. Bigla siyang may small jealousy kapag may ibang babae sa paligid mo. A woman is only afraid to lose a guy she sees as more than a friend. And here's the most undeniable sign. Yung involuntary smile at eye glow niya kapag nakita ka. This cannot be faked. Hindi mo pwedeng kontrolin kung paano nag-o-open up yung mata mo. Hindi mo pwedeng itago yung sudden spark sa voice mo. Hindi mo pwedeng i-fake yung shift in energy kapag yung taong gusto mo ang kaharap mo. Psychologists call this the Duchenne smile, the smile that only appears when the emotion is real. Kapag ikaw ang dahilan, kahit pigilan niya, lalabas at lalabas yan. So paano mo malalaman kung gusto ka ng babae? Not through her words, not through her chats, not through her friendliness, but through consistent patterns. Emotional glitches, remembering details, fixing herself when you're around, mirroring, asking deeper questions, subtle jealousy, initiating small things, and being afraid to lose you. If you see 3 or more of these signs consistently, malaki ang chance gusto ka niya. If you see 5 or more, she is emotionally invested. If you see all, bro, hindi mo lang siya type. She is yours emotionally, mentally, and subconsciously.